Morning, everybody. Government Degree College Shadnagar invites you to watch video classes on mathematics subject. These video classes are prepared by Department of Mathematics. Today topic is vector space, which is in 5th semester and it is 10th lesson. And this topic vector space is in final year BSc final year topic. And these video classes are prepared by myself. My name is T. Sri Krishna, Assistant Professor of Mathematics of this college. Now, in this topic, nine lessons are completed. 9 classes are completed now. Just we check out what are the definitions and important properties are there in previous classes now. First one, basic concept, vector space and subspace. It is very important definition. What is meaning of vector space? Topic name is itself vector space. Therefore, we know what is a definition and vector subspace definition. What is vector space definition means now? V is a non-empty set of vectors. First of all, V should be a non-empty set of vectors and F is a field. With respect to the internal composition vector addition, V is an abelian group. With respect to the scalar multiplication, that is nothing but external composition, V should be satisfies all scalar multiplication. In that case, V is called vector space over F. Then V is called vector space over F. It is a basic definition now. What now? V is an abelian group with respect to the vector addition and V satisfies scalar multiplication properties. And next, what is the meaning of subspace now? What is the meaning of subspace? First of all, there should be a vector space. V is a vector space. W is a subset of V. If W satisfies each and every property, vector space properties, then W is called vector subspace of V. After that, now we have algebra on subspaces now. What the algebra of subspaces? W1, W2 are any two vector spaces. If W1, there exist two subspaces. One is W1, another is W2. In that case, intersection of these two subspaces is always a subspace. Intersection of two subspaces is always a subspace. What about union now? When you come into union now, there is a condition, if and only if condition, necessary and sufficient condition now. What the condition? W1 is subset of W2. One of the subspace must be within in the second one, W2, or W2 is a subspace of W1. That are the condition, it's necessary and sufficient condition. Now after that, now linear sum. What is a linear sum means now? Linear sum is nothing but now W1, W2 are any two subspaces of V of F. W1, W2 are any two subspaces of V of F. In that case, the linear sum of W1, W2 is W1 plus W2, W1 plus W2 equal to alpha plus beta, where alpha belongs to W1, beta belongs to W2. Alpha belongs to W1, beta belongs to W2. It is a linear sum definition now. And one more point, always linear sum is nothing but now subspace of V of F. And now we have one theorem also on span now, span of vectors. Let V1, V2, Vn are vectors in V, The span set V1, V2, Vn is a vector space of V. The span of V1, V2, Vn is a vector subspace of V now. It is an important condition now. After that now, definition null space. What is the meaning of null space? The null space of M and M by N, a M by N matrix is denoted by null A, is a set of all solutions of the homogeneous equation Ax equal to 0. And you know what is homogeneous equation means now? Homogeneous equation means now? I am taking one example, x plus y plus z equal to 0. And the next equation, y plus 2z equal to 0 now. It is a homogeneous equation where x, y, z power is always same 1, 1, 1 and equal to 0. There is no constant value. Now therefore definitely we get some solutions now. Two equations are there. Therefore definitely you get now solutions now. Okay. And here the null space is denoted by x such that x is in Rn. Observe this column, rows by column now. Now x is in Rn and Ax equal to 0. Okay, Ax equal to 0 now. Next now. Now we'll start the today class now. What is the class now? Now here, find a spanning set for the null space of the matrix. Find a spanning set for the null space of a matrix. Now A is a given matrix. It is 2 rows and 4 columns are there. Therefore, definitely the column space is the subspace of R power 4. Number of columns now. R power 4 now. Now here I am checking first of all for calculating null space. What is the definition null space means? Ax equal to 0. Then x is nothing but now is belongs to the vector x is belongs to null A now. Now therefore I am calculating the argument matrix value first of all now, that is A O. Complete it is A matrix value. What is a given matrix? 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 3, minus 2, or otherwise you can treat as 1, 0. It is a one vector. Next 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, minus 2. Now here I am checking last row as 0, 0 because it is 0 now. Okay. Now therefore 0 column. Now here it is 0, 0 now. Now first of all now, observe the matrix now. The leading coefficient is 1. Immediate next element is 0. Okay. Now here the element. Second row, second element. Now, the before number is 2. The element value is 2. It should be 0 now. Okay. It should be 0 now. Not 2. It should be 0. Then we can calculate solution now. Now therefore 2 minus 2 is nothing but now 0 now. What is a 2 minus 2? This 2 is belongs to R1. What is the application? Calculation operation here now. The first row is changing now. The 2 is belongs to R1 and next now 2 minus 2. The 2 must come from second row now. Now therefore R1 minus 2 R2. The first row is the same 1, 2, 4, 0, 0. The second row, entire second row is multiplying with 2 now. Okay. Now 0 into 2, 0 into 2 into 1, 2 3 2 times of minus 2 and into 0 now. Now we are subtraction, therefore we are changing sign now. Subtraction now 2 rows now. Now therefore 1 minus 0 is the same, and the next here 2 minus 2 is a 0, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 0 plus 4 is a 4 and the last value is same. Okay, now here the value. Now here now it is in the exact echelon form now. Now therefore it is a first value, it is a second, third, fourth now. Now therefore x coefficient it is nothing but now x coefficient. It is nothing but now x1, x2 coefficient, it is x3 coefficient, it is x4 coefficient now. Comparing with 0 now. Therefore x1 and 0 into x2 there is no need to write. Minus 2 into x3 plus 4 into x4 equal to 0 now. And the next now 0 into x1 is a 0. Now 1 into x2, 3 into x3 minus 2 into x4 equal to 0 now. It is one homogeneous equation and it is also a homogeneous equation. Here we are converting x1 in terms of x3, x4. We are converting the x1 value in terms of x3 and x4. And here also x2 in terms of x3 and x4 now. Now therefore x1 equal to 2x3 minus 4x4, x2 equal to minus 3x3 plus 2x4 now. Now therefore the value now x1, x2, x4 okay is equal to what is here x1 value 2x3 minus 4x4 and x2 value minus 3x3 plus 2x4 and x3 x4 value. Now here I am taking complete x3 coefficients 2 minus 3 1 there is no x3 means it is 0 now. Here x3 into 2 minus 3 1 0. Now x4 coefficient common now. Now minus 4 2 there is no x4 therefore 0 and 1 now. It is a value now. Okay. Next now. Now I am assuming the complete x3 coefficient as u, the complete x4 coefficient as v now. Okay. Now therefore u equal to what here how much here 2 minus 3 1 0 and v is nothing but now minus 4 2 0 1 now. Now therefore the null a is nothing but now span of u comma v. Span of u comma v, we can write null a equal to these two values now. Okay, it is a problem now. Okay, you can verify also. If you take row into column, definitely you get 0 now. Okay, similar type of problem is here now. Now find the same problem, same dimension. Dimension is same 2 by 4 now. What is the matrix now? 1 minus 3 2 0 0 0 3 0 now. Okay now. Now here we have another problem now. The similar type of problem now. Find a spanning set for the null space of the matrix here now. A equal to here 3 rows and how many columns? 5 columns now. Now 3 rows, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 now. Now the what is the order matrix order here now? 3 by 5 now. Therefore null space is a subspace of R power 5. Number of columns are 5. Therefore null space is a subspace of R power 5. Now what is a given matrix? 1 0 0 3 1 0 minus 4 minus 3 0 minus 3 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, it is a matrix. First I am calculating augmented matrix now. A0, the given matrix as it is. In addition that last row we are adding 1 0 column now. Okay, for this value 0 column now. The first column elements are 1, 0, 0. Second column is 3, 1, 0. Third column minus 4, 3, 0. Fifth, fourth column minus 3, 1, 0. And fifth column is 1, 0, 0. Now observe now in the given problem, the third row is 0 row. The third row is nothing but now 0 row. Why it is 0 row? The entire elements are zeros. Every element is 0. Therefore, it is called as 0 row. Now here we want to convert the given matrix into echelon form. Okay. Now leading coefficient is first row, first element is 1. Second row, second element. Here the element is 0, but here non-zero. Okay. Now here we want to convert 3 into 0 now. How it is happens? 3 minus 3. This is 0 now. This 3 is belongs to R1 minus 3. The value must come from second row. Therefore, 3 times of R2. Okay. Now, in the argument matrix, second row is no change, and last row, third row is also no change. What is the rough work now? Rough work కంపల్సరీగా రాసి రాయండి, మీకు మిస్టేక్స్ అనేవి చాలా వరకు తగ్గిపోతాయి. Now 1 3 minus 4 minus 3 1. I'm not taking this value 0 because 0 minus 0 is also 0 now. Okay. Now 3 times of the value now. 3 times of 0 is a 0. 3 times of the 1 3. 3 times of the minus 3 minus 9. 3 times of the 3 is a 3 with opposite signs. Why opposite signs? Minus. Now 1 minus 0. Okay. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 4 9 5. Minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 and 1. Now here the values 1 0 5 minus 6 1 0 now, and here also no. Okay. Now observe these values now. This 2 by 2. The gamaninchandi. Observe here now. Now it is pakka unit matrix, 2 by 2 unit matrix now. Okay. And the next now, I am taking the values now, coefficients now. 5 columns are there. Therefore, x1 means first column, x2 second column, x3 third column, x4 fourth column, x5 fifth column. X1 here, x1 it is 0 into x2, 5 into x3 minus 6 into x4 plus x5. Here we have first one. Now next now, 0 into x1 is a 0. x1 into x2 minus 3 into x3 plus 1 into x4 and 0 into x5. Now here it is. Okay. Now I am converting x1 equal to, and here x2 equal to, the combination equal to 0. It is a homogeneous equation. Both are homogeneous equation. Why they are homogeneous equation? x1 power x1, x3 power 1, and each and every one powers are 1. Therefore, x1 equal to minus 5 x3 plus 6 x4 minus x5, and here we have the values. Okay, no? Now, x1 equal to minus 5x3 plus 6x4 minus x5, x2 equal to 2x3 minus x4 now. Okay. Now, in the X matrix, it is nothing but now X matrix now. Now, the given problem, the given matrix order is 3 rows and 5 columns are there. Therefore, it is order of 3 by 5 now. Now, therefore, X contains here 5 values now. Number of columns are 5. Now, therefore, X contains 5 values. X1, X2, X3 and X4, X5. Now we know the X2 value. X2 is in terms of X3, X4, X5 and X2 is in terms of X3 and X4 now. Now therefore here I am taking X3 coefficients now as a first vector. X3 into what are the coefficients now? -5, 3, 1. There is no X3 value in last values. Now that means now 0, 0 now. Therefore, x3 into -5, 3, 1, 0, 0. x4 into, here the x4 coefficient 6, here -1, and here there is no x4, and here coefficient is 1, and here is 0 now. Therefore, 6 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, and x5 now. Now, x5 coefficient -1, now here there is no x5, and here there is no x5, there is no x5 now. Therefore, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now it is. Now it is complete U vector. It is a V vector and it is now W vector. Now therefore U means now -5, 3, 1, 0, 0. V is now 6 minus 1, 0, 1, 0. W is -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Therefore null A, okay, it is a span of U, V, W. U, comma, V, comma, W. Now here we have similar type of problem, okay, and here it is a already it is in echelon form now. Observe here now, leading coefficient is 1 and the remaining values are 0. The second row, second element is 0. Therefore, we are taking second row, third column element. It is a 1 and the remaining two elements are 0. Okay. Next here the element that is third row, fourth column, it is a 0. Therefore, we are checking very next number, that is a 2. It is in third row, fifth column now. Now, therefore, it is already in the form now. Therefore, directly we can write x1 minus 4x2 plus 0 into x3 plus 2x into, sorry, 2 into x4 and 0 into x5 equal to 0. And here now, x3 minus 5 times of x4 equal to 0. 2 into x5 equal to 0, like that now. Okay, do this problem. And the next definition, important definition now, it is about column space now. It is about now column space. What is the meaning now? Previously we completed null space. Now it is now column space. What is the column space means? The column space of an M by N matrix A written as column A, written as the column A. It is a set of all linear combination of columns of A. It is a set of all linear combinations of column A. For example, if A is a matrix such that the first column is A1, second column is A2, and nth column is AN, then column A is nothing but now span of all these values. The linear combination, kada? Linear combination is nothing but now span. Therefore, it is a span. We know that now the span set is always a subspace. ఈ రోజు కూడా మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఎర్లీలో ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేశామని. Therefore, the span of A1, A2, AN is a subspace. Okay? Now, therefore, it is nothing but now column A. Therefore, column space is a subspace of R power M. Sorry, R M. And the column A is denoted by like this now. B equal to, okay, B such that B equal to AX for some X in Rn now. Or otherwise it is also denoted by the linear transformation. With linear transformation is nothing but a function. It is no t of x equal to ax now. Okay, this column space now. Okay, now we'll do problems on this column space now. Now here we have condition now. Okay, now find the w such that w equal to 6a minus b, a plus b minus 7a, where a, b are real numbers. Okay, where a, b are real numbers. Now, here w is nothing but now linear combination of ab, not c. I'm sorry, it is c akkarledu ikkada. There is no need. B, a and b now. Now therefore w equal to a into the complete a coefficient now 6, 1 minus 7. 6, 1 minus 7. B coefficients minus 1, 1. There is no b value, that means 0 now. Now like this, a into 6, 1 minus 7 plus b into minus 1, 1, 0 now, such that a be a real number. Therefore, it is a span of u and v. U is nothing but now 6, 1 minus 7, or otherwise a1 అని కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు. V is nothing but now minus 1, 1, 0 now. Therefore, A matrix is here now 6, 1 minus 7 and minus 1, 1, 0 it is now. Okay. Now here we have similar type of problem now. Okay. Find the matrix W such that W equal to A, B, C. What is the given condition? A plus B plus C equal to 2. The sum of the values equal to 2. Okay, equal to a constant value. Observe this now. It is a non-homogeneous equation. It is now here. Now we want to express W as a linear combination of A, B, C. Therefore, what here now? A equal to 2 minus B minus C. Therefore, I am taking here the value 2 minus B minus C. Now I am substituting B equal to 0, C equal to 0. Then what happens now? 2, 0, 0 now. Now here now, the sum of the values equal to 2. Okay, it is correct now. But here you cannot find the 0 vector. In the 0 vector, each element is equal to 0. Kada? Now, what is the given condition? Sum of the three values A plus B plus C equal to 0. It is highly impossible. You never get 0 vector in W. Okay? 0 is not exist means with respect to the addition, vector addition, identity element is not exist. That means it is not a subspace. Okay? Subspace లో కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాల్సిన ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి? ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్. Now here you never get identity element. Now therefore W is not a subspace here. Okay, now the similar type of problem here. Okay, 3r minus 2 equal to 3s plus 2. Here also if you write t equal to t coefficient is here 1, it is, therefore it is easy to write t equal to 3r minus 2 minus 3s here now. Now again now constant is there now. That means the given equation is non-homogeneous equation. Therefore you never get 0 values. Therefore it is not a subspace. Okay. Next problem now. Find a matrix W such that W equal to A, B, C, D where what are the given condition? Observe the condition now. 3a plus b equal to c, a plus b plus 2c equal to 3d now. Therefore, here I am checking into entire values into one side. 3a plus b minus c equal to 0. A plus b plus 2c minus 2d is equal to 0. The given equations, the two equations are homogeneous equations. Okay. Now, therefore, definitely you get column matrix now. Now, from the first equation, you can express C equal to. Why are we are taking C value? Because C is a coefficient is 1 now. Therefore, C equal to 3A plus B. Okay. In the second equation, I am substituting C value. We know the C value. How much it is? 3A plus B. Therefore, 2D equal to, now here A plus 6A is a 7A, B plus 2B is a 3B now equal to 2D. You can calculate now D equal to 7A by 2 plus 3B by 2 now. Now therefore W equal to A, B, we have C value here now. How much C value? 3A plus B. How much D value? 7A by 2 plus 3B by 2. Here. Now take A coefficient now. 1, 0, 3 and 7 by 2. And B coefficient 0. There is no B value 0. Here B coefficient is 1. B coefficient is 1. B coefficient is 3 by 2. Now therefore the columns are becomes now A into the first column U value 1037 by 2 and next 003 by 2. Okay. Now therefore you can write W equal to 1037 by 2, 0013 by 2. Okay. Now it is definitely it is a subspace of R4. Okay. It is a subspace of R4. Okay. Now next now the similar type of example here now. Now do this problem. Okay. Next now. Now find a matrix A such that the set column A equal to like this. 2s plus t, r minus s plus 2t, 3r plus s, 2r minus s minus t, where r, s, t are real numbers. Now just I am checking here now coefficients. Okay, just a minute. Okay, r coefficients no. Here now r coefficient there is in the first now there is no r value, that means 0, and here coefficient is 1 and here coefficient is 3 and it is 2 now. Therefore 0, 1, 3, 2. Now s into coefficient is 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 now. Now therefore these are the values 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1. And next t coefficients 1, 2, there is no t value, that means 0 and minus 1 now. 1, 2, 0, minus 1, where r, s, t are real numbers. We know that now. Now therefore it is a span of u, v, w now. Okay. What is a u means now? 0, 1, 3, 2. V means 2 minus 1 minus 1. W means 1, 2, 0 minus 1. Now therefore A equal to this complete value now. Okay. U vector, V vector and W vector now. Okay, next now. Okay. Today we learned different type of examples on null A and column space definition. Okay. And examples on column A now. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos.